lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming in. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I do appreciate it. If this is the first time coming across my face here on YouTube, my name is Odette. Welcome. Please subscribe before you go. Thumbs up this video, and I would love to have you join me here on this channel. This is a beauty and skincare channel. I share with you guys a lot of things that I've used on my face to clear up my skin and all of that stuff, and starting a skincare journey. And of course, you can find great information on sassiover55.com, which is a backup to my YouTube channel. And of course, today I do have this very simple green makeup look, and I was basically inspired by my outfit today. Very simple, very subtle, and I love the way this is looking because I think with my short hairdo, which I'm loving lately, this is a perfect look for me. But first, can we just talk about the outfit? Because I know you guys are going to be asking, like, what the hell are you wearing? What do you got on? Okay, so this is a green halter top. This is from Temu. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you guys. And this necklace is also from Temu, but this has a slight weight to it. It feels really substantial. Now, this did not come with an earring like the last set I wore in last Sunday's video, but it just came on its own, and I really love it. And I think it goes really well with my green outfit today. A little bit of hoops on the ears, and of course, you know, the green eyeshadow is inspired by this outfit today. And you guys are going to see how I came up with this look, and I really hope you guys enjoy. So please sound off in the description box, and everything that I use on my face is going to be down below for you guys anyways. And again, this is going to be down below for you as well. So please enjoy, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles. Okay, my lovelies, here we are, finished with the makeup look today. This simple green eyeshadow makeup look is life. This is so beautiful and it looks so good with my short hairdo. I'm not quite sure why it took me so long to cut my hair this short. I mean, really, I'm so in love with myself right now. How many of you can actually say that? Okay, this is so pretty, and I think the red lipstick balances everything out together so nicely. It looks so good. I really like it. And of course I throw in some earrings, and this looks really nice. I think this look really frames my face as well, because since my skin has been cleared up, I've been doing my makeup totally different, because I cannot go in with 10 different colors on my eyes. I can't do that. To me, it's pointless, in my opinion. For me personally, I don't really like that. But simple, subtle, less is more, and here we be. And I do love this look. So leave me your comments in the description box. Let me know what you think of this makeup look today. And so we are going to leave it here for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. And of course, please come back next week for another video. And of course, if you guys have any suggestions for makeup looks or any suggestions for videos, please let me know. Leave me your comments in the description box. Toodles!